Morning guys, this is Gary with Creative From Above. As you could tell if you were watching the first part of the movie here, is that two of the seat brackets I couldn't get to from underneath, and had to grind them off. The other ones I had to go underneath the van, vice grip the nut, and then spin them off. And but I got that done, so we're all pretty much cleared out now. And I'm going to go ahead and start pulling the carpet. Okay guys, that went pretty easy. That actually was a lot easier than I thought it was going to be. So what I'm going to do now is go pick up some underlayment, some 1/4 inch, some plywood, press board, anything just to fill in the gaps a little. And then our flooring will go on next. I'm also going to get some heavy duty silicone in any of the holes that are in the that go down through the floor. I'm going to silicone those shut just so there's no chance of water coming back up through the bottom. I'm not really going to insulate the bottom because the wood floor that I'm going to put on has the underlayment on it, which is basically an insulation anyway. Hey guys, I'm back. So I got the 1/4 inch hardboard down for the subfloor. I have it's glued and screwed down. I have duct tape covering all the joints just to help with dust and anything, moisture or whatever. So next is the underlayment for the wood floor. It's actually it's this stuff right here. So we have a bright, shiny aluminum side that goes down, which helps keep the heat and cold coming from the underneath from the roadside coming up. The other side's a darker color, which is what the floor actually lays onto. It has an adhesive, so each piece you overlap and then they stick together. So right now, if you want to take a look at what's going on here, so I ran out of duct tape, so I got duct tape, normal duct tape, and then pink duct tape. But the joints are all covered. It's glued down. Any extra screws are covered just to help with the transition. I do have this first piece – of the vapor barrier and the hardwood floor stuff put down. So I'm going to put another piece of the hardwood flooring vapor barrier down, and then probably call it a day. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Thanks. Goodbye.